Hello friends, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to today's video wherein we shall have a quick look at one of the important concepts related to agriculture and rural development current affairs and friends, which is very important for the upcoming NABARD Grade A 2021 exam. And friends, I request you to kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and also to our Telegram channel so that whatever the daily dose of free sessions and the free content that we upload on these two channels respectively can be utilized for your exam preparation, that is exclusively for the upcoming NABARD Grade A 2021 exam. So friends, yes, are you feeling lucky today? Please try your luck by spinning the wheel and you may win up to 50% discount on courses of NABARD Grade A as well as all the combo courses. The link to the spin the wheel is given in the description of the video. Kindly check it out. So friends, coming to today's video, we are going to do an important ARD scheme which since it has been launched, it has the question, one question based on this scheme has been asked every year in NABARD Grade A exam, and that is none other than the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, which is in shortcut called as PM Kisan scheme. And friends, this is a central sector scheme, which means the entire financial burden will be borne by the central government only. And this was launched on 24th Feb 2019. Though it was launched on 24th Feb 2019, the scheme came into effective from 1st 12 2018. Very important. And this was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, and he launched this in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh by transferring the first installment of rupees 2000 to over 1 crore farmers. So friends, what is the main objective of this PM Kisan scheme? See, the main objective of the PM Kisan scheme is to provide income support to the land holding farmers families in the country so that their financial needs can be supplemented with this amount. What are these financial needs? For procuring inputs related to agriculture or allied activities or some domestic needs, so that they don't depend on the money lenders, where these farmers they get trapped because of high interest rates. So friends, what is the benefit that a farmer gets from this PM Kisan scheme? See, under this PM Kisan scheme, all landholders, farmers, families, they shall be provided with a financial benefit of rupees 6,000 per annum per family, and this amount is payable in three equal installments. See, per annum, see, every 4 months the amount is paid to the farmer families, that is 2,000 each. At the end of the year, total it would become 6,000. So friends, now which is a nodal ministry or the implementing ministry? See, this scheme is run by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare under the Government of India, and here the entire financial liability for the transfer of the amount to targeted beneficiaries is completely borne by the Government of India, hence it is central sector scheme. Friends, now comes the eligible farmers. Who are the eligible farmers to avail this PM Kisan scheme? See friends, all land holding farmers, families which have, who have this cultivable land holding in their name, they are eligible to get, benefit under this particular scheme. Earlier when the scheme was launched, it was said that this is eligible, only the farmers who are small and marginal, that is, who have up to 2 hectares of land, they have eligibility to claim this amount. But now after that, from June 2019, it has been extended to all the farmers families irrespective of their land holdings. But friends, there are some farmer families, who are not eligible under for this PM Kisan scheme. Now, who are they? One, majorly all institutional landholders, that is who have large land holdings and they are doing some sort of commercial business based on that. All these institutional landholders, they are excluded or not eligible for this scheme. And also farmers families in which one of its members, even if one of its members belong to the following categories, like former and present member of any constitutional post, former or present minister, state minister, or any representative member of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislative assemblies, etc., or any serving or retired officers or employee from central or state government or offices, except multitasking staff, class 4 group D employees. Again, these are eligible. Again, all superannuated retired employers of 10,000 or more, they are all not eligible for this PM Kisan scheme. Along with that, if any person who is doing some income tax assessment in the last year, like, and also some professional people like doctors, engineers, lawyers, chartered accountants, architects, who are registered with some professional body and they are carrying out profession by undertaking various practices, again they are not eligible under this particular PM Kisan scheme. So friends, now let's see one previous year question, why, and see why this particular scheme is so very important. This question was picked up from NABARD grade A 2020 prelims, that is phase 1. Now what is the question? Identify the incorrect statement regarding PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. And the options are, it is central sector scheme? Yes it is. It is administered by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare? Yes it is. It is scheme for all the farmers with few exclusions? Yes it is. The scheme gives 6,000 rupees at the starting of the year? Yes, the scheme gives 6,000 rupees, but not at the starting of the year. This is given in 3 installments every 4 months of 2,000 rupees each. So this is the incorrect statement. So here the correct answer is answer D. Thank you very much friends for your patient listening, and if you have any query related to this video, you can always write to us at hello@edutype.co.in, or you can always call us on this number during working hours, that is 814-620-7241. And I wish you very all the best for your exam preparation. Thank you once again.